You hear me? Yes. Now
Yeah, now able to hear. So I was asking, last week we did not have any class, right? Saturday and Sunday both.
we took a class last week.
But I got the message that you're not available.
This Sunday I'll not be available. I'm going out of India. So
Okay, so last week we had the class.
mm-hmm. And we recorded all things. I was waiting for you also on this.
No, I got the message that there won't be any class since you're not available the last week.
Mm.
Even the Azure one also happened in the evening.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh. Okay, I'll go through the recordings in that case.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good
Uh,
morning, Mr.
Mujahid, hi. Sorry.
Yeah. Hi.
Uh, did we have the recording for Azure also?
I don't have idea about it. Maybe they have all things. You can check with them.
Okay, because I was going through the recording and I just see, right, I think only the Delta Lake part was there. I mean, with the Python example. But
Mm.
I didn't see the recording for Azure.
You can check with them in case. Because these people they have full control for recording portal and all.
Mm-hmm.
uh, that management team they will take care of it, and I can able to just tell you whether a class is available or not, or I will take the class or not, like that. They are usually taking care of the recording and all, even here also.
Okay.
Okay. So I think we can start now.
Yeah.
uh,
Mujahid, just 1 second actually. Maybe I need one simple help. Uh, can I
sure.
share for 2 minutes maybe?
Yeah, you I just enable the permissions, you can share.
Yeah. Let me know when you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
I created Azure account. Somehow that you told me, right? Because when I try to access, uh, I mean, Databricks, right? I mean, it was giving me some access control. I remember you have told me to add some role also in one of the
Mm.
previous class. You remember,
Yeah.
right? Uh, Currently, what I'm facing, right? I mean, I think if I try to access the URL, maybe it is showing me some access permission issue. This I'm getting this access issue.
No, that element may be wiped out. You can go to that element side. Mm. Go to resource group of Databricks.
Here.
Just click on the practices. You are not using Windows based, web based. You are using, huh? Mhm.
Yeah,
Here,
yeah,
practice folder. Okay, resource group practice. You click it or down.
here.
Second one. Uh, yeah, you can see here. Uh, just refresh this page. Open this practice folder.
This one.
Practice. Enable no public access. You close this. Okay, delete it. No problem. You can delete it and create it, recreate it. Do you have any important document inside? No, na.
Nothing. Just created it,
Okay.
but I was, yeah. Can I delete it?
Yeah, please.
I think it must have done, I guess.
Hmm.
Can't I create another work group here?
Mm-hmm.
Resource. Can't I create new resource group?
You can create now. You can create, no problem. Just go there and create resource group. No, type resource.
Here
Resource, you
only.
type there. Mm-hmm. It will open or brings the resource groups to you.
This one, third one.
Huh. Resource groups, correct.
I can click on create.
Yes, create it first. Meanwhile, it is deleting. We can able to create new one also.
Okay. This should be fine, right? US East.
Mm-hmm. No, try with a different region. There is some reason behind this because it is done deleting meanwhile. We will
Mhm.
not get any error meanwhile.
Maybe I will go
Go
for
with
Asia.
center. Asia. No problem, whatever.
Yeah. Okay. Uh,
Hmm.
yeah.
Refresh this page.
Maybe I have to change the region, I guess, right?
No need to change the region. Here there is no concept of region. All region will display here. It is getting created. That's why. See downside training created.
Okay.
Hmm. Now here go to search box
Mm-hmm.
and type here Azure in this red color Azure Databricks. Uh, and here we'll create it. Click
Here.
on create. Uh,
Yeah. Mm,
Give proper name. No, workspace name required.
something.
Workspace ADB and your name. Small letter everything. Huh. Mm-hmm. scroll down. No need this one. Nothing required. Just scroll down and review and create. I can't see your screen downside. I don't know. Now I can see it. Yeah, my side is the issue. Okay, click on create now.
It will take another 2-3 minutes, right?
Meanwhile, let's keep it running these things. Open new tab and open portal.azure.com. No
Okay.
problem. This is error, no problem. Storage account created. Storage account. Create.
It's like S3 only, right?
Like S3. And we are going to create a bucket first, like that. Proper name you need to mention it. This is very important name. You cannot write underscore also. No minus also.
Even in the S3, right? Minus is
Yeah, more challenge. Write some number which space is not important.
okay.
Not required. Now it will work, I think. And enable the JRS. No. Down.
Fine.
It's type next. Next you go.
Next. Okay.
In the advanced last option, enable hierarchical namespace. Yes, means generation 2. And then you can use review and create. Then create the container inside.
Okay.
Hmm. Now
Under,
here we are creating S3 first, and then we are creating bucket.
okay.
So here one extra layer they have as compared to AWS S3.
Okay. Okay.
So meanwhile that one was working, I think. Check it. Oh, it's also not working. Refresh. A small refresh we have.
Oh, sorry.
This may lost the changes, So a small
Right.
refresh is the best option.
Okay.
Sometimes this will not get submitted to the server and it will cancel the changes whatever you did. So this small
Yeah.
refresh is good. Table refresh it is called. Same thing. Check
Yeah.
in the storage account. Just
Uh,
use table
yeah.
refresh. It's working.
Yeah.
And go to this resource. And here we'll create one resource basically. Go to data management, manage, left panel, data manage. Uh, Data manage, yes.
This one, right? Yeah.
Data management, yes. No, there is data storage, sorry, data storage. Container we have under that. Containers will select and then add a container. Let's give some name for it. Like IoT sensor you give. Today we'll do some practical in your machine only. IoT sensor.
Okay.
Just for understanding, press
Create.
create. Yeah. And here we don't want to upload anything, just empty container. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
what we required, this one, there is one section we have called security plus networking.
Mm-hmm.
Access key, show it, show this, copy it. No, first only we required. Copy it and open notepad and paste this name, storage name and key. Storage name also.
Okay.
That's it. Then we'll click on the new one, or search box you type keyword. Guys, we are doing something called integration, today's topic, okay?
Key Walter.
Keywords. Yes, yes. This is very good option. What is this? This will help you to secure anything, whatever you want to save. You can secure it, everything inside the keyword only. Okay.
Yeah. Concept is same
So
everywhere,
this
right?
will store,
In AWS
huh?
also we store it in. Uh,
KMS we have,
yeah.
na? Same thing.
Yeah. Here, do I need to create?
Yes, create one keyword and then give the select the proper and give the proper name for keyword.
IoT sensors for now.
No problem. Keyword.
Okay.
Then review and create. Make sure review and create. Yeah, review and create. Correct. Given correct, na? Now this one is creating the keyword. What is keyword? It's like a storage for secure data storing. What you can
Do
store it here? You can
uh,
store the password.
mhm.
You can store the token. Yeah, click on create. You can store a certificate. You can store the private key, public key. Everything you can store it here. That's very powerful. So that we'll see it here first. This value will store whatever you kept it in the notepad, that will store it here. Okay, this is our plan. Now just table refresh. This will not lose the things whatever we have. Now you can click on the training resource group. Resource group, you go resource group. Training resource group, right hand side. Go to resource. Okay, button, go to resource. Here we have one section in left hand side. Why it is not loaded? What? Oh, this is a Azure Databricks. I'm talking about keyword. Go to resource. Click on go to resource button.
Okay, sorry.
Hmm. Here we have objects. This is very important. This kind of objects you can store it here. Okay. We want to store a secrets basically. What we want to store secrets. What do you mean by secrets? Means the value which is we have some text value that we need to store it. So we'll use the secrets. Click on secrets. Here you can generate the new secret or you can add the new secrets. Now you can see here there is some challenge you have when this operation not allowed by RBAC. Are you using which account? Which account you are using?
Live account only.
Okay. And live at okay, let's see. Okay, generate or
I
import button. No problem. This just give the name. Give the name as storage account key. Here we are storing the storage account key, and here we'll paste the value from Notepad++.
uh,
Yeah, same. Yeah, correct.
Like
This
this is a
second
key,
line.
right? Second line.
The key is the second line. Yes, copy it and paste it here and just click on create. Now it is saved. Just table refresh. Oh, it's not created. What?
No, I think,
You are unauthorized to view this. Do you have permission?
this is my account only. This is an admin user. I mean,
Okay.
this is a user which I logged in. I should logically have, right?
Now click on this default directory. You see
This
top
one.
right inside here. Here switch directory. I had a doubt because of that reason I told you. Only one directory you have on Microsoft.com. Okay, go to intra ID. Search in the search box. Intra ID. This one is correct. Manage section. Users. Only one now. So here this user need to give permission. So let's select this user. Open this user. Assign rules. And here we will assign some rule. Yeah. And just click on add assignment and you give the name assignment as keyword. No, without space. With space. Key space world.
I'm not able to see actually.
Okay, and on search box you check it. Search box up subscription. Search box up service search box.
Here.
Subscription. Because your account is not having the permission. You click on subscriptions. IAM. Select the subscription one.
This one.
You not used it properly this account. That's why. Here click on it. Open this one.
Yesterday
Here
only I
IAM.
created it.
IAM account. Here we'll check the view role assignments. Check first.
Here.
We'll check how many permissions you have. Ownership permission. This resource. 1 privileged you have. Okay, just add. Click on add up. Let's try to add something with these permissions. Add role assignment. Keyword search. I think Azure keyword. This one. Yes, administrator and another one also. Just select the administrator. Scroll down a little bit. It will start with this as secret officer and secret user. Oh, multiple is not possible. Okay,
Go.
secret
Let me go
user
with
is selected. How many?
secret user. Huh?
No, officer because user don't have more permissions. Let's here you add your member. Select member up. And then you can add it to yourself. You not configured these things, no, before.
Yeah, yesterday night only I created it. And I
Uh,
was,
Now you can review and assign. So what we are doing here, basically, we are giving permission, RBAC permissions to this guy, a rules-based access control.
okay.
Now you can check it.
It is cited.
Mm-hmm. Click on this. You can, no problem, any name.
Let me give my name.
But secret time, you need to write it properly without any extra characters. Okay.
Create.
Okay. Yes. Now it's created.
Yeah.
Now you do not see this gray color shadow. See, successfully created and it's enabled.
It is enabled. Yeah.
Now permission given. Like secret officer is required. Okay. That
Just
rule.
well, why? Because I am the only admin user, right?
Uh,
Even I'm not having access.
no, even admin also they do not allow anybody to access it directly. If you want, you can enable it. I
Okay.
enabled, so that's why I thought maybe directly we'll jump it. But here you can give this responsibility to some one person, and in case anything goes wrong, you can catch that guy also. That's why we need to give for particular person there.
Mm-hmm.
Means by mistake, your whole account got hacked. Suppose
Mm-hmm.
so that time also you should not directly connect with this by default.
Okay.
So that's why
Okay.
they mentioned different one. Okay. Now what we did, we just store the secrets. Now launch the Databricks, Azure
Ju-
Databricks.
just one question, right? Here,
Huh?
we did provided the key, right? But nowhere we have not linked this. Uh, user, right? I mean, the
We
keyboard.
can use it. Yeah, yeah. We can use it. Not an issue.
Okay. Okay. Now
Now
what I should do?
Azure Databricks launch.
Here, launch workspace.
Yes.
I have tried with the database community version, but there also like the permission is limited, right? I mean, we can't perform all operation.
Hmm.
Okay. Shall I?
Yes. And now what we require is to jump on. Yes, tell me.
No, like, shall I go with the creation or create a new notebook here? I mean, or
We'll create first cluster.
okay. Click on create compute, right?
Hmm. Last time I showed you everyone. Please let us know.
Is it fine? I mean,
Hmm. You can refresh, table refresh. I can't see this thing. Ha. Oh, not updating. No, the thing is what photon acceleration is not possible because it requires 6 to 8 dpu. You only have the permissions. You're using free trial, right?
yeah, free trial.
So you have only one permission for half DPU. Okay, half DPU means 8 GB. Standard F4. Check here, standard F4, 8 GB RAM we required.
Okay, standard S4, right?
F4 fish.
Okay,
So,
this one.
yeah. This one 8 GB, 4 core, right?
Oh,
Uh,
yeah.
what do you mean by this detail? Let me know what you understand.
4 core means I'm having 4 CPUs, right?
Yes, correct. And other things what we have, just
I'm having 8 GB RAM. Yeah.
uh, and you also no need to go with the min max concept. Enable auto scaling, also disable it. And single node we required. Single node we required.
Okay.
Beside workers. So this will give you half DPU. See, right hand side you can see pricing. What is the pricing? Half DPU, 0.5 DPU. Right hand side price.
Okay, got it. Just
So
one
this.
one question, right?
Uh-huh.
Normally, right? I mean, we are trying to run the if you're trying to run the Spark program here. I mean, if it is single node, right? The parallelism will work on the I mean single machine, or I mean it will work. It will go for multi-threading within the course itself.
Multi-threading possible there with a
Uh,
single machine. With single machine, multi-threading happen.
because we are selecting single node, right? I mean, means
We selected single node means one server will be ordered, and within one server you will get 1 GB, 8 GB of RAM, and there they will divide it with the help of mm, multi-threading concept.
okay.
So parallelism, most of the things is not possible. Like production grade, you need to go with
Mhm.
the multiple, but as a practice purpose, exploration purpose, you can do it with the help of threading concept. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Now you can see here what is the runtime 16.4. Now, if you got the chance to give the suppose Chat GPT or some AI tool to tell
Mhm.
them what I'm using. So instead of wasting time, you can go on right hand side. In JSON we have. Just go right hand side.
Here,
Uh, JSON. Yes, JSON. Correct. Click on that JSON. So this will get converted into JSON. So JSON will be very easy for AI tools to understand what you are doing. Only just you need to tell them these things. So they will understand each and everything. You can tell them Azure Databricks cluster. This is the configuration. That's it. And then you can ask the question whatever you have on it. So
okay.
this will be
Here,
easy for us.
just one question, right? For example, if I know this configuration, uh,
Mm-hmm.
like in AWS, right? Like if you have the code, we can simply deploy it and uh, I mean
That's also
create a
possible.
cluster, right? Here also we
Yeah.
can do.
Yeah, that's also possible. But you need to install the CLI.
Okay,
CLI required to configure it, and there are two ways to do. Either you can pass as a file or as a content. Both will be supported. For
okay,
this, we use verbatim technique for getting this data. And open the. Do you have open the command prompt? I'll show you. Command prompt. You open it, and there we have one option. AZ dash version. Check it. Do you have AZ CLI?
no, I guess.
Check. No problem. Version. Not recognize means no, you don't have easily.
Yeah.
Easy, you can install it and then you can do it.
Yeah.
And
I
go
mostly
to
use
browser.
AWS. Yeah.
We can do it same thing here also. So we don't need to worry about it. This all things here we have 11, no?
Yeah.
So just write down 11 and hit enter. Uh, the thing is what you need to configure these things in different platforms. No, just first download it up. This one. MSI is good.
Yeah. MS.
Microsoft installer. And once you download and install it, it will not require anything. It will get directly installed.
Try clicking it, but second.
Here 64-bit you select. Hmm. Now you install it. There is one command. Just go to command prompt meanwhile. And here you write AZ login use device code. Minus minus. No, after login without anything. Minus minus. Use minus device minus without space. Without space before also. This is complete word. You use device code minus code. Sorry, device code. Device minus. This is correct. Copy this command because and install these things first. Hit enter to copy. Okay. Now go to install the software.
Right. I think I need to install first, I guess, right?
We require to install it because we not installed it. And then we will try to configure this whole machine with the particular account. So you can control all things with the some CLI only. You
Mm-hmm.
don't need to go here and there because user interface will change. So suggestion is what we have. You should need to use the CLI or IAC tool.
Mm-hmm. ISC means?
Infrastructure as a
Oh,
code
code. Okay.
like Terraform and all things we have. No,
Yeah.
so like that we have this service. Now under this, what we'll do it here basically we'll just go to the this one. Remember this command from whatever you have, it won't work. Why? Even you install also. Tell me why?
Because I have to log in, right? First.
No. Because that command prompt what you opened is not applied the new settings. See, this is updating component registrations.
Mm-hmm.
So this will not apply the whole settings to the old compiler, old command prompt.
Mm-hmm.
So you should need to use this command in new compiler only, means a new terminal only. You close this one, and meanwhile it is installed successfully.
Right.
See, now it started. Now you check the command prompt, copying new files and all.
Okay.
Open the command prompt and check it. Hit enter, no problem. Is this no? Oh, is it installed or what?
It is still in progress. Let's wait for a
Oh,
minute.
okay. Now coming, see side by side to the next part, uh, directory also. Switch directory option, Now there, go to switch directory option in Microsoft Azure, portal.azure.com.
Mm-hmm.
Right hand side, switch directory.
Okay.
Here, what you seen here, this is the directory ID, right? There is another thing, subscription also. Go to subscription, open subscription in the search box. Where is your subscription?
I have only one, right?
Mm-hmm. And that's a default subscription. No? Search,
Yeah,
advanced search. Let's see. So you
advanced.
don't have, click on advanced search, advanced
Here,
filter, sorry, advanced filter. So you don't have any other subscriptions.
no.
Only one subscription you have, right? This is the
Yeah,
one active one. Only
yes.
one you have, not more. Okay, okay. Because thing is what, when we are going to this terminal, there is multiple option will be displayed because I have multiple subscriptions. So it will show me multiple options, and from there the you need to select it. Because consider you took from me a subscription of Azure's
Mhm.
subscription one name, and you also have subscription one, Azure subscription one. So it will display you same values there. So make sure, that's why we should need to change the subscription name. The best option, you should need to change the name of subscription.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to the terminal, check it whether it is installed or not. What time? Install now. Now you open terminal. Right click. It should work now. And also, if you are working with the Databricks, we should
Mhm.
need to take care of Databricks components to install in the CLI. Okay.
Okay.
And so for this, what we'll do it here, we'll check the list of extensions. So right, no, before login, just let's try to do something here. See,
Mhm.
extension directory is available. Just open this extensions directory. At the beginning, single quotation we have. Now you hit enter. So this is not created yet, I think. Now let's try to install one extension, Databricks extension, because this CLI is not completely CLI, it will give it to you. It will just give
Mhm.
you the basic components. If you want to interact with the Databricks, you require AZ extension add. Write down here the command AZ extension add minus minus name and Databricks you write. Whatever the extension name, you can check it over the internet also. What are the extension you required? Write name space Databricks.
Okay.
Bricks. That's it. See here, it is searching in the marketplace. And now if you're using suppose company machine, so you may not able to install it because internally it is going to market and searching there. And if they found, then it will install it. Getting a point?
Mhm.
So this whole thing will be available under the configuration directory, which is available on your .azure folder. So there, now you check the, again same command version. You check az dash version, and you will find out here, hit enter. So configuration, increase the window size. See here, it is giving you option, and also the extension as installed. You see here, before it was not there, but now you can see extension side 1.1.0 extension of Databricks. Up.
Okay, here. Sorry.
Here, yes. So this is installed in your machine. Now you can play with the Databricks with the Azure CLI also. That's possible.
Okay.
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 All things is written. Now you just open this file folder, dot Azure folder. See up before this configuration directory. You open this and just observe after login what happened. So you will understand where the configuration is stores. Hit enter. So you should see here dot Azure has this much of configurations. Open config file here. Profile also we have, right. Notepad is the best option to open it. See here Azure Cloud. Now let's try to log in with your command, and then we'll see what happened.
Mhm. You want me to log in here?
Now you log in it. So you will observe what happened basically in the, we not copied it, I think. You need to copy it again, I think. And then check and let me know what is the observation we will find out here. Give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
What do you see the difference?
Just one question. Like, I mean, usually in AWS we provide access key and password, right, to log into the cloud. But here
Uh,
at AZ login device code, but how it is
this will open
configuring?
the browser, one generate the code, and that code you need to paste it there. Hit enter, I'll show you.
Okay.
So what happened here, it will generate one unique code, and it will show you the URL, and under that URL you need to paste this code. Just copy this code before moving. Just copy it. Hit enter to copy and just click on this URL. No need. This is temporary code. Control enter. So this is your browser where you logged in. Okay, just next. Oh, here not you logged in. Oh,
Yeah.
do one thing. Continue it. So this will detect the things, and you close the window now. This one.
It is
You
detected.
see in background. Yeah, this is important. How many subscription you have in this? It will try to fetch it out.
Currently
And
only one, right? Yeah.
that's why it's showing one. Now type one here and hit enter. Means you will set with one. Hit enter. Now you should see what is inside config file notepad plus plus. This is no, not this one. Go to that .azure folder.
Yeah. Yeah, one second.
Uh, no, this will not update. Uh, just check with the profile, your profile.
1 second. Here, here, right? Amit?
No, 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 not here. Okay, just go to the Databricks side. Mhm. So this is the one which we need to understand, and always we need to give to AI system. This is the details, okay? And once you give these details, they will understand what you are doing, because user interface is not possible to give to AI. Now this thing is
Mhm.
also possible. You can able to create something called CLI based executions as well. Like you can run the command like a file you can create it and copy this thing whole. Let's copy it. I'll try it here. And create one, go to command prompt, and instead of creating the from user interface, let's create from the notepad. Just write notepad
Okay.
and give the name as config.json.
Here.
Notepad space config.json. Type here the command prompt. Notepad space config.json. And this is JSON for what? Sorry, just write before Databricks JSON config, means you will understand. Otherwise, another configuration also you should have. No? So Databricks minus configuration without space. Now you hit enter, and there you can hit enter.
It is creating under my
No
root
problem,
folder.
wherever you
That
want.
should be okay, right?
No problem, no problem.
Or you want me to like go to that Azure folder and create it?
No problem. This one is also fine.
Okay.
Here also fine. Here you click on yes, and then paste the content. You already have a clipboard. Now you go to upside, save this file and close this notepad.
Okay.
And then come back to command prompt. Here you write az Databricks workspace.
Without
Databricks workspace create. No, all are spaces will require. Okay. Databricks space workspace.
okay.
Databricks is one main command, and this is the sub command. You can say this is like a sub
Mhm.
command.
Mhm.
Okay, and here we have create is the operation name. Yeah. Now here you can give the details where you want to create it, in which resource group. What is your minus minus? You write here minus minus resource minus resource minus group space, and then resource group name, whatever we have. What you given the name training, write down
Training.
here training. So it will belongs to that resource group. Now go to minus minus space minus minus name. You can do one thing. You can copy this whole command. I don't want to lose it. We are reading more things here. Hit enter to copy and go there in command prompt. Here you write it. Okay. And then you can write the command. No, not here in notepad only. You will write it. Later we'll paste it here. If you press
Okay.
any button, you will lose it. So that's why. Now we'll write here the name of the workspace. So write down minus minus name. So understand space we required. Name space the name of the workspace. Right, workspace ws adb and 1027 whatever, and then September. This is why we are giving the unique timestamp we required. Small letter, everything is small letter. Remember, everything in a small letter, and then minus location, small letter. Minus minus location, whatever the location you want. Like example, we want East US. Right here, East US. without minus. This AWS supports minus. Here it is not required minus. Then space SKU size. Minus SKU. If you observe here, minus SKU space standard. No, size not required. Just write standard instead of size.
Okay.
Space standard, small letter. Everything is small. So this will help you to.
Location is standard. Name is this one. Resource group is training. Okay, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
So copy this line and then let's try to paste it there. Cancel these things. Escape button to cancel. No need to type multiple. Okay. Just escape button. Right click.
Enter.
Now see here, it is started creating all things for us, right?
Yeah.
And also one thing, you can go to the portal in your training or resource group.
You want me to cancel this one for now? Because we are.
Yeah, we can cancel it. But before that, we require to give the container details. And once we give the container details, then we'll submit this thing to cluster.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Now, when you go to the portal.azure.com, you will find out this guy will create each and everything to you. 9 rupees you only used.
I started this week only.
Means you will not able to reach the utilizing the full 17,000. Okay. And this is 28 days they will give us only.
Yeah.
So it will not be, it will be wasting, no? So that's why.
But
Utilize it properly.
AWS is costly. I mean, I got a bill of 5,000 rupees. Some service was on.
That's good. If you are getting bill, that means you are doing something.
No, it's unnecessary actually. I did
Ah.
executed some service by mistake. I think something related to EC2 on demand, something, and I got a bill.
I'm also giving the same training. So
Okay.
that's why. I hope you guys connected with me on LinkedIn, right? Everyone?
I think
I'll
I'm not.
share with you guys also.
Yeah.
If you want your.
I just saved your number only.
In future, if we have some opportunities, we can share with us, no? So that's why.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I shared with you. You can connect it when you get the time. Just
Sure.
coming to the point, go to the portal.
Mhm.
Click
Container.
on
No?
Microsoft. Resource group.
Training.
Here you will see two things are creating. Yeah, click on it, training. See this guy, they created two. See here, two created. How we created? Because of this command. So understand the power of command. Through command, you are creating each and everything from the command line only.
Mm-hmm.
And this will be good because in user interface will change after some time. Microsoft is more interested to change a lot of things. So if something is going good, Microsoft is interested to change the name. If something is going good, they will try to change the user interface. Something they will change it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a big problem with Microsoft. So what is the
But, but
best? Command line is the best option.
but one thing, like I personally feel, right? I mean, if you know the what resource or what object you want to create, right? Then only like command. Whatever you see in the front end only, right? It. I mean, if you understand only, you
Ah,
can.
when you get the concept clear,
Yeah.
then it will be easy. And one another thing I want to tell you nowadays, you no need to worry about the user interface. Why? Because if you are going with the user interface with ChatGPT or AI tool, they will not properly mention you the all details. But
Mm-hmm.
same thing if you go with the ChatGPT or any tools with AI, so best option they will prefer to go with the command line.
Okay.
So we need to be because where in future you may get somewhere stuck, right? And when you get stuck, you will not check here and there in the user interface. Just executing command will solve the things. Then later you can get the alternate UI parts of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So always preferring to go with the command line or IAC. And
Mm-hmm.
this user interface, sometime I saw most of the URL I'll share with you. Microsoft itself, they're not updated in the documentation. So leave others. ChatGPT, okay, if you are using paid ChatGPT also, if it is using free ChatGPT, then no problem. It will create a big problem to you because you are using old documentations.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're using with the new documentations, it's still sometime Microsoft not updated. So what to do that time? So that's option. Best UI to command line. Best we need to switch from UI to command line. Okay.
Got it.
Now let's move to these things here. Check whether it is executed or not.
It's running
You can
actually.
go inside also. One another thing I want to share with you here. No, it's deploying. See status. Is it deploying? Means it is trying to prepare each and everything. Now go back one steps. Back page.
Uh,
uh, Back button, and you see here two Databricks service we are creating, right? Azure Databricks service we are creating two. That means two workspace we are creating. Now what we can do it basically, instead of doing these things, we'll understand what happened when you create the two workspace. Now you go back to one step again. Here workspace underscore Mithun you given. No, one step only.
uh, you want me to go back?
Ha. Select first one if it is. You see here it is creating, you created only practice and training. What is the others resource group? This will be automatically created when when you specify the workspace, that time it will automatically get created. So you need to understand what is inside this. So open first one. You see here what you see
N83.
here, all resources what you require for Databricks workspace. So it will create automatically each and everything to you, whatever you require in a future.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see here virtual machine?
Uh,
1 minute. This, Here it should display virtual machine. Why it is not displaying virtual machine? Because we not uses any computation part, right? Only it will charge you if you are creating. That means if you are creating workspace, at that time
mhm.
it will only create or only it will try to focus on the public IP address. It will charge you for public IP address. It won't charge you for computing part. Getting point?
Okay.
So here, if you create a workspace, that means what charges will be applied to you? Only public IP address.
This one, right?
Only public IP address charges will be applied to you. Second thing, if you create the cluster, what happen? What we are
Public
doing right
IP.
now, right?
Correct.
Then what happened? Tell me. When you create a cluster inside the workspace, that time it will charge you two things. One for
Public IP
public IP
cluster.
address, and another is the cluster side, like virtual machines and all, right? So two
Mm-hmm.
charges will be applied at that time. So that we need to take care of it. And another thing, just go to check in the command prompt whether it is working or not. Increase the Windows.
It's running
It's
actually.
still running. Okay. No. One thing. You should not select it. Otherwise, it will stop. Okay. So make sure you should not select it. Sometime what happen, we will click on it and white patch will display. It will get select. That means it will not show you the updated one. So that you should need to
Okay.
take care of it. Now coming to the this side, open new terminal. No problem. Open new terminal. No, same command prompt. You can open new one.
Hmm.
Tab you can open in the command prompt.
Sorry.
Here, what is plan we have right now? We are planning for Azure Databricks to create the cluster for us. Okay. Now you
Mm-hmm.
remember what is the Databricks minus config file where it is available? Here only, right?
Yeah, it is available in Azure.
No, in Mithun folder, right?
Yeah. Within the root only.
Uh,
You
Go to
want me
the
to
command
open?
prompt. No. Just I want to tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Here you can do one thing. Just type right here. Type space. Type
Type.
space. Correct.
Okay.
Space. Data tab. Press tab button. No. Tab button. See. Hit enter. What happened? You will see. What is the purpose of type command?
Uh, Find the file with the. I mean, open the file, right? You.
It's like a cat command in Linux. Okay.
Yeah.
So it will show you the contents inside it, whatever we have. Now, coming to the content. Now we'll write here AZ Databricks cluster. Write down AZ Databricks cluster. Correct. Now here we need to create the cluster. So what operation? Create. You can use one thing. You can copy this command and paste it into Notepad. Otherwise, what happened? Sometime if we did any mistakes, you will lose the command whole, whatever you type. Best option is what? Always keep it into here. That will be good. Now here you will write the minus workspace URL. Workspace minus URL. So you understand the pattern, how they are maintaining the commands and all. See,
Yeah.
AZ means Azure Cloud Computing. Azure Databricks they have. This is what service name. Under this service, particular component we are focusing, particular feature we are focusing, cluster. And what is create? Create is in operations. And here we have workspace URL. So these two words we have. So they binded with the minus symbol. Workspace minus URL. Okay. Now here we need to get the workspace name. How can get it in the workspace name? Go to the portal.azure.com. Check whether it is done or not. Can you check it? Command prompt whether it is done or not.
It is done.
Here it will generate one works URL also to you. This one. So let's try to copy these things. Properly you need to paste it because this URL uses the HTTPS. So before single quotation, no problem. This is just copy it properly
Okay.
and remove this double quotations. Whatever the double quotes we have, just remove it and then write here HTTPS :/. This become complete URL. Okay. And you can open this URL, control button and click. Okay, copy it and go to that same browser where you have and paste it. See what happened, you will see here, it will directly jump to intra ID. And if you given the intra ID configurations, it automatically redirect to the Azure Databricks network. See? Oh, you have some issue with the, you don't have permission to access the page view. Please contact. Same
The
account you are using?
same account actually. Maybe I think we
Ah,
need to provide some permission to the resource, I
token
guess.
will give. No problem. Token will give. No problem. Now go to the command notepad plus plus and under the notepad plus plus, right, let's write down the space minus minus JSON. This is what I'm providing the create cluster parts and the all details I'm providing inside JSON format. Okay. Now there are two options, space. Two options we have. Either you can pass the whole content or just write space and no need to paste it. Here you can pass the whole content or just directly you can give the file name. So better what we can do it, file name is good because this whole content will be maintained is very hard, right? So we'll write @
Sorry, you want
uh,
to give this a file name?
yes, correct. Without a space, I saw a space is there. So this will become the complete command. Now you copy this whole command, cancel these things, and enter. Hit enter. See,
Yeah.
it started submitting the details. So whatever the details you given, accordingly it will take that details and it will be passing to this locations. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Sorry.
Cluster is misplaced. Oh, okay. That
CLUS.
cluster is misspelled or not recognized by the system. Can you go to the here? Oh, no. In command prompt only. Let's give
Mm-hmm.
type notepad space previous command. Now notepad space Databricks config.json. Instead of type, you write just notepad. Instead of type,
Okay, sorry.
notepad and hit enter. Let's remove underscore name. Second line cluster name we have. So just write down. Save it and then check it now. Go to command prompt here up key 2 times and check it now. This is misspelled or not recognized by the systems. Okay. Let me check it out. No problem. Means there are some spelling mistake or something happen in the command and all. So no problem. We'll do one thing. Just go to the UI. No, not this one. We already opened that clusters part we are trying to create.
Here.
Here you can create it. And now this time we'll go switch off the simple form off upside.
Sorry.
This one you will off it. So it will give you complete detail what's going on inside. Let's select first step by step, single node upside. Use photon expression also, you need to remove it. No problem, this version no problem. But single node we required. No, single hotspots not required. Hot
Yeah.
instance not required. And go with the single. Up, first up. single node, then it will
Sorry,
not
sorry.
ask you a lot of
Yeah.
questions. See, it will wipe out. Now remove the photon access. Still 2 dbu we don't have. 1 dbu also we don't have, I think. Reduce this dbu with f4 standard underscore f4. 8 GB, correct. Everything set. Yes, look good. Then you can create it. Now this thing is started creating, right? Meanwhile,
Yeah.
what we can do it, we can go to the workspace side and no, not here. Inside this workspace also we have one workspace. Here up. See, this is Databricks, Azure Databricks workspace, and that was Azure Databricks workspace. So don't get confused. Now here, what we can do it, we can able to import the instructions or commands from the system to another system. That's possible, or you can directly clone it with the help of GitHub. Both is possible.
Mhm.
Both is possible here. Okay.
Uh, Not sure it is linked or not. Do I need to log into Git or?
Yes, yes, yes. We can able to log into Git and we can access the code also. Both is possible. Whatever we want, we can able to do it. But make sure same browser we need to use it. Okay.
You will be sharing the Git
Yeah,
folder?
we can able to share the things like a Git or a file also. Let me check with the file. 1 minute.
Okay.
I will check it to my side. The things what we need to do it now. Tell me what we are doing right now.
Uh, we are trying to, I mean, we'll be writing the parts, uh, Python script, right?
Let me
Spark
tell you.
script here.
Whatever the instructions we have, consider someone written or you generated the code from the AI tools. Okay. Now, what
Mhm.
is the plan? We need to take this code or changes, whatever we have, and under that we'll see whether these things we can able to execute it or not. Okay. So what is our plan? We need to check the LFS part, Databricks. La- mm, mm, we have the LFS, and that we need to check it. Azure Databricks large file systems, whatever we have, so that we need to check it here. Okay. So step number one, I will share you one file on chat. Where is the chat? Here. Yes. And you need to download this file, and then you need to check it in your machine. And this the file basically what it contain, HTML it contain. Now you just open this HTML file.
1 second, I think. 1 minute.
there is something called HTML file, and in that HTML file we have all code and output both. Okay.
You want me to open this file?
Ah,
Okay, you want me to open in the browser?
yes, yes. Open the in browser, you will find out everything is written, even output and code. See, let's try to do the same thing in our environment. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's play with our environment and see what are the things we have under our environment. Okay, now just go to workspace. Let's or users. You go to users. No, under
Yeah.
this panel only. We have
Mm-hmm.
users section. Under the users, you select your email, first one. And then here you can right click and import, or maybe three dots is possible. Import, yes. Here you import this file, what I given to you, what we uploaded, that we need to import it. This is basically used to transfer the data or instructions, because usually the code file is not very big. So they allow us to play with the code file. Remaining things they will take care, like data file parts will be managed automatically through cloud. But code file is very small, instruction is very small basically.
Okay.
Now you open this file, might be this time cluster is ready or not, check it. Compute side, left panel compute. Here you
It
can
is
check,
right.
yeah, it's running, right?
Yeah.
Now what we can do it, and just go to open notepad, and let's try to clear all outputs to see our outputs. Otherwise it will get confused. Open this file, no problem.
Okay, this is a Databricks notepad file, right?
In that way I generated, so you can able to understand what's going on inside. So there is one option, I think, in run. Go to run section. Up, run. Here clear, click on clear, and all cell output. This means it will not show you previous cells output, previous outputs. Now we will try to rectify this all things. Now here I want to just click on the left hand side connect button, drop down. No. Here and select the Mithun. Let me wait. Two things we need to understand here. Two type of server you have to run. One is serverless, another is server base. So what you
Mm-hmm.
are seeing here, Mithun is basically server base, provision base,
Yeah.
means
Correct.
EC2, like kind of EC2 or virtual machine. And
Mm-hmm.
what is serverless?
Databricks internally manages
Ah,
the
so
execution
they
on the
created
server.
their own server like Lambda in AWS. Okay, and
Okay.
you just submit the jobs. The problem with the submission of job in serverless is what? If you are continuously submitting again and again, this is not a good option. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you should go with the dedicated provision environments. Otherwise, if you are going with the uh, rarely you are submitting, you no need to waste time in the cluster preparations and all. So that time you can select this story, like serverless also you can select it. Okay,
Okay.
so these two options that we have here, that we need to understand it basically. Clear?
Yeah, got it.
Now let's try to move on. Let's run one by one the commands. So see here, this is supporting, this is Linux command. You see, this is what Linux command. So you are interacting to whom right now? Linux file system, not DBFS. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Databricks file system is not coming in picture right now. And you are just interacting with the systems. Now let's execute this first cell and see the result. So this is inside your Linux cluster or virtual machine, whatever you have. Under that, these all files you have under the particular folder, Databricks folder / Databricks folder. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Consider like a Databricks is a software. That software is installed in the virtual machine. You can see this all files folder. Now, second command, if you see here, db utils. What I written here to understand whether it is what are the utilities is available. So it's not necessary always you'll get these options. dbutil is the one special package especially coming to Databricks. Okay, what is the
Mm-hmm.
purpose? It will display you all different modules inside it. This is one utility will support this much of modules. So for that reason we have these things. Next, let's going deeper dive. Now we have what? Help also fs help. Fs means file system side if you want to interact with it. So these are the options we have. You can mount it, you can unmount it, you can use fs utils and all things, right? In mounting sections you can do this all sections. Fs util for ls command, mkdir or put, all things you can do it. I would like to go with the in detail about go scroll down. The next command I want to go with the util about this. Yeah, ls command. I want to know how ls works. Just hit it, run it. So you will get the example and concept and parameters and signature, everything you will get it here. This is Scala signature. You can nowadays AI you have, you can convert it and you can get the exact signature as per your need. Now next, what we have here, we are trying to fetch it through. Now we are trying to fetch with the help of the first command and this one. What is the difference between both?
This is help command, right? And this is
No.
list
This
all
last command, last command. Yeah,
li-
this command.
list out all the file within that dataset folder.
And the first line command. You remember we also doing same thing, ls command.
Yeah.
So both we are doing same thing. Here, by default, Magic command will understand. You are not writing the Python commands. So this is in Linux shell. So they will automatically understand what's going on inside. So this is intelligence cells we have here in the notebook. Now you go through the last command, what we are trying to run it. And this one, we are trying to explore it with the help of packaging. Just run it. So here what we are doing right now, we are exploring the file system of it. See what is the difference between this one and the first output. This is supporting the DBFS protocol also. You see, this is just a file folders. So this is what Linux file systems. This is complete DBFS we have here. Okay, that we can select it and we can able to proceed it accordingly.
These
Now,
are all
what is the
test data which is created by default.
yeah. This is sample data we have for practicing purpose. You can use it. They
Okay.
increase the samples also. Now we are trying to see what are the things we have. Just go with the
And
next.
and one thing, right?
Huh?
All this I mean basically it is DBFS, right? It must be pointing to the bucket, right? I mean, is it pointing to the same bucket or it has its own
No,
separate?
they created their own file system inside on Linux machine.
Okay.
So this is not available directly. You can able to access it on top of Linux machine only.
Okay.
Okay. Now next, we are trying to check what we have options inside it, right? So yeah, run it slash. Now you can change my name to your name. See here, all these things were available. Not only data set, also result is available. Volumes is also available for us.
Mm-hmm.
Next, you write your name instead of my name. Let's change and check it. You're creating one folder inside it. Let's create it. Usually, you'll create the folder project folder name. And here we are trying to pass the data inside it. Now, we are transferring the data and let's execute it with the help of, no, not this button, shift enter.
Yes.
shift enter. So it will write on that location. Let's see what is you have inside this folder. So this is one simple command. If you don't want to go with this command also is available. So this one and the next one, you see here the file is also available. The next one, you just change the name, and here both is possible. So what is the difference between this command which is running right now on the previous command? Both are same, equal. Here we are using a magic command as fs.
Percentages, right?
Percentage will start with the magic command. And there are different magic commands. Sometimes you need to mention it, sometimes you need to neglect it. In first line, we not mention the commands, percentage, bash, or something, we not mention it. But here we are mentioning everything.
Yeah,
Why?
I got it.
Because file system is not coming by default.
Mm-hmm.
So DBFS file system will not come by default. That's why you're writing percentage. So what is the difference between LS Mithun and FS LS Mithun? Can you check the one cell you can add in between these two cells? In middle you go, 10 number you see, 9, 10. Here over the mouse, add one code cell, and here you write ls space slash Mithun. This one. Shift enter. Slash also be required. Shift enter. See, we created but it is not displaying. Why we are not getting here?
I
We
mean,
are getting here properly. So you are searching in Linux file system. It was created on Databricks file systems.
mm-hmm.
That's a major difference we have. And that may, if you want to check the Databricks file systems, then either you can use dbutils or magic command.
Okay.
First and last one, up or and down one, both is possible. But the middle one is not possible. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because here you need to travel properly, then only you can play with the data and all. Now we can make a pointing from storage account to here, and then we can able to access the resources inside. That's possible. Okay.
Okay.
So just go to these locations.
Just
Run
one
it.
question.
Run it.
Yeah.
This one you run already. Anything is
Yeah.
remaining?
I think there are two more.
You can check it, no problem. Data sets ls slash. These all are the data sets. So if you are going with this command up, you can scroll up to show me the command. See, we are using %fs and dbutils. So this will give you different type of output you see here. It is displaying a proper output if you are going with this way. Okay.
Mm.
Next, %fs ls slash. See here, volumes, everything is available.
Just one question, right? I think this folder can't we? I mean, can't we see this folder? I mean,
Here not possible. Just go to the Unity catalog will comes to the picture if you want to see.
where? Sorry.
In catalog only, but right now we are not focusing here. We are just understanding here.
Okay.
This workspace Mithun you have. Under that, this default schema and information schema. So this will be displayed to you. And there we can able to understand the all things. I'll tell you later about this catalog. Unity catalog.
Mm-hmm.
That's called Unity catalog. Through that you can able to see what's inside this. Okay. Go to the notebook first.
You want me to open the notebook only?
This notebook. Last command, what is remaining?
Mm, that we have executed, right? This one.
Yeah, this will display you here on DC. Inside this dpfs :/Mithul / and it will show you the timestamp also. You see, modification time is totally different. What do you mean by these things? Means they maintain the modification time in the Unix timestamp format.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a major thing we have here. Okay. Now coming to the next things. Okay. Now what we want, consider this is not necessary. You will get HTML file. Sometimes you will get a Python file. A developer, they created the file and then you need to use these files and perform the same operations to it. So what happened? I will do one thing. I will share you one another chat, and under that I will write all codes. Now you need to take this code as an architecture and then start executing and understanding each and everything on it. Okay. Now here I just maintain all things in one file. Let me share with you in the notepad. You can save this all things later also.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, I just uploaded. Check it.
You want me to open?
Mhm.
Import it, right?
Yeah. Now you import it same way. So we should need to know how to take care of different kinds of files. Is it possible you can go with the URL also? But let's go with this. URL requires server. Company have server, and there they will take care of this URL concept. You can create Nginx server in upcoming
Okay.
session. So I can show you how you can able to fetch the URL part also. In upcoming
Yeah.
session, you can create it. So I can help you in this. Okay. Now here you just fill up the details, like first cell, just fill up your detail, storage account name, your storage account name with the existing one you have. EC value is basically access key value. I just need to mention it properly. Other things you can mention it. Go to storage account first, your training resource group, storage account. And no, just go there. Inside I'll share with you. Everything is written inside this name only. Storage account.
Sorry, I think here only, right?
Inside the storage account only you can paste it here. Is this correct? This is this much big name. Here you can see. Yes.
Yeah, I kept the same thing. I'm just copying from the. Uh,
Okay.
sorry.
Key we have. Just paste to the key. I given the name as container. What you given? Data, I think.
I
Or
gave
IoT
as
device.
this one, right? Key
IoT
value.
sensor, I think. No. This is key value is different. Storage account we required. Open the storage account. Take the container name in the storage account. IoT sensor, I think. Copy this name and paste there in notepad. Here. I given the name as IoT data. You just write one after that. Keep it as it is. Why? No. Just keep it as it is. Only one you added. Why? Because in future, if somebody took it, you cannot able to use it later. So that's why we'll write 1, 2, 3. Wait. Another thing we require, EC value is not EC value basically. It's a access key value. I forgot to write it properly. So remove this value from R to double equal to capital R to remove this all value. Here you paste your value, like what we have here. Yeah, correct. You can go with the keyword also, not an issue. But let's try with the first without this all. Shift enter to run the current cell and move to the next cell. Now it's trying to connect first virtual machines. Check whether virtual machine is connected, compute cluster is connected. Mithun is displaying, right?
Yeah, it is connected.
Now next steps, just run it. Remember, if you run multiple time, it will give you error. Single time only we need to run it. Run it. So this will shift enter to run. Now this will allocate some locking part, like path of mounting point path is allocated here. Yeah. Now you can check the next command, shift enter. If you are using the second cell again, it will give you error. Okay. So you should not use again. And then
Yeah.
here, what we can do it, let's try to, will it work? What do you think? What do you mean by this cell? Can you help me?
Uh,
We are reading from sample data set, okay, and we are storing JSON file into data frame. Are you getting point?
yeah, this I got it.
Uh-huh. Now, once we did these things, just run it, then run this one also. See here, all JSON file is displaying here. Now we found this file is very important. Let's try to share with the storage account. Next cell, run it. Once you are running these things, this is very big file. And what happened? Just run it, no problem. Yeah, shift enter.
I just need to select one, right? We change the
Correct,
folder.
correct, correct, correct. And run it. That's it. Once you are running, you check with the storage account container, IoT data center, IoT sensor. Under the storage account, meanwhile it is running, go to IoT container side, storage account. Open this. You will see here a bunch of files. See, automatically in partition format, it is uploading the whole data. Are you getting point?
Yeah.
So what do you understand?
Basically, I think using Spark, right, we copied the data from, first of all, we have mounted Azure container block. I mean, and from the Spark data set, right, we copied the data set to the Azure container, correct?
Uh, uh.
Right.
Then yeah, we clone it, and once we clone it, the pipeline we created, and once we created the pipeline, then we can able to transfer the data from one place to another, or even we can read the data also. Okay.
No, it is simple copy, right? It's not a like I mean it's
No,
a
no, it's
pipeline.
not a simple copy. It's a tunnel we created, SSH tunnel, like that. We create one pipeline, and then
Mhm.
we are copying the data from one place to another.
Just one question here, right? I think within this, sorry, not cluster. Here, right? When we see the resource group, right? Here only, I
Mhm.
think we saw some NAT gateway created, right? I mean, as a part of Databricks. I mean, uh, where is it? This one, right?
First one. This is just for experiment purpose, learning purpose we did. See,
Uh,
lot of things they created now. Why they are creating now these things?
mhm.
Before only we have 5, 6, right? Now we have lot of things. Why? because this guy will automatically, cluster will automatically create these all things for us.
Okay,
Virtual
this is
machine
was
also create.
started.
Ah, so understand the power of Databricks will automatically control Azure parts and creating
Mhm.
and managing everything silently and making the pipeline here also. So whatever you work inside this particular location, it will automatically store there. So this is called an external data. Not only this, you can go with the AWS S3 also. There you require to collect the data, or you can transfer the data also. Like company, you got the work in one company where you are working with the migration. So that
Mhm.
time also will works here. And you can do something called data engagements part also. Now this notebook, you can call it in Azure Data Factory also. Getting a point? Once you run this notebook, let me add last line. Last line after this, there is an unmount we have. No, no, not this one. Unmount I want to see. Okay, yeah, run this one. First, step by step, we'll do it. Here it will not work because IoT data one you have, na?
Oh, sorry.
No, it will not work out. No problem. Just uh, no need to run. Go down. I want to show you the next things. Last stage. See here, it is transferring the data to SQL also and playing with the SQL as well.
Yeah,
And now
I
you
think
can create this one. Yeah, yeah. Just create the 11 number. 11 number. Right? IoT data one.
okay, database.
IoT data one. You can write it. And shift enter.
On top of the folder, it we are creating a database. Huh?
Yes, yes, yes. And this database. Oh, schema Unity catalog must use manage location, not locations. So unique are required to create the manage locations. We not created the manage location. That's why. Up. You go to up. We not created the manage location. No problem. But let's go at the end. I want to show you one thing. You can play with the SQL also. Okay. Here you can play
Yes.
with the SQL also. Yeah. Just write down this. Accept it. Let's see. Accept, because this database is already exist now. So maybe it does not exist. Create it. Can you write the database name as DB IoT DB1, and then we'll see, because we created already and then we tried it. Now leave it, later we'll see. These things I'll check it. And the last one I want to show you. It's very important if you want to pass these things into down last line. This yeah, FS unmount. Yeah, here you write IoT DB data one, and then you can close the terminal, means pipeline. You close it. Now hit shift enter. So this will close the pipeline basically. Once it is closing the pipeline, what is the thing? You will not able to upload the data how smoothly you are uploading before. So this is unmounted. Now this name anybody can use it in your cluster.
Okay,
Getting a point?
just one question. Uh, Here we just pasted the JSON file, correct? I mean, and that JSON file it is copied to that AWS.
We not created the file. The data set is already available.
Yeah,
We
it
just
was there and we copied it, right? I mean,
uh,
right. But
yes, yes.
in general, right? I think this folder can be different, right? I mean,
Yeah, yeah. Company side, it can be different, and we will read this data from this path what we given, and then we'll try to load it into data frame, perform some transformation operations, and once we perform the operations, then will the final data will be stored into the gold data will be stored into the destination location.
okay, even it can be like a bucket to bucket, right? I mean,
Yeah, yeah, that can be possible. Yes, yes.
Okay, in between whatever the transformation which I'm doing, I'll be performing as a part of Spark. Correct?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Let's try to save these files. It's very important. So you can able to play with it later also.
I think it's already saved.
But once you delete the cluster, everything get deleted, even notebook also. So go to export file, export option we have, and under the export, you can select the pattern. HTML is best option because it will show you the output also. So in future, you're capturing both things, output and a file, both.
Anyway, this is there.
I just switched my number to eSIM. I need your both of the guys' numbers so I can able to inform you in case anything goes up and down. Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow there will be no class, right?
Tomorrow no session because I have flight, so that's why it's hard for me. Maybe I'll check a half minute. No, it's hard. Airport is hard for us. No problem. Tomorrow will not take session, but next weekend we can take it. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Please ping me your numbers. I don't have your numbers, guys. Gunjan, you are and Mithun, you are also okay. So in
Yeah,
case any update, I will update you directly.
sure, sure. So,
Sure.
shall I ping you over the phone itself,
Yeah,
right?
WhatsApp is good.
WhatsApp,
You
right?
can
Yeah.
just ping me.
Okay, I will do that.
Thank, thank you, thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks everyone. Bye.